Whoa! You're sending showers of yogurt all over the house. You stunned yourself.
Harry. Probably doesn't help that we're laughing at her.
It's important for her to learn.
Now what are you gonna do? Oh. Did you throw that on the floor? Yes.
Alright, I'm ready to call it. What's the story on this towel?
It's dirty.
Can I use it for her?
Oh, delicious. Are you done?
Are you ready? So I'm going to do that.
Look at you. Look at
And we'll
you.
reveal the mess underneath. Woo!
Oh my. You are a messy little soul.